Hi Filmator! In this tutorial, we're going to show you a handy trick on how to add music to your videos from anywhere using the Filma app. Just follow these simple steps and you'll be able to convert video into audio tracks in no time. Firstly, you'll want to record the screen of your device while playing the song you want to use, and this can come from any website, your player, or even an existing video. Once you've got your screen recording, which includes your desired music, open the Filma app. I've already recorded my screen and imported the video clip with my song. Start by adding an audio track. Go to the Add Track option, select Audio, and save. Next, locate your screen recording with the music in the Footage drawer. Drag and drop it onto the newly created audio track. Now, there might be parts before the song begins or after it ends that you don't want. Simply look at the waveform to identify where to cut or play the audio and pause where necessary. Tap on Start from here to initiate the trimming process. You can find this option in the bottom bar or by dragging the side sliders to the point you want. Don't forget, you can also adjust the audio by tapping on Fade and Slash Out options to give your music a smooth start and finish. Our audio tutorials have more in-depth explanations on this, so check them out. With just a few adjustments, you've got an amazing slideshow featuring your favorite music grabbed straight from a screen recording. Please note that if you plan to share this video on social media, make sure to comply with any potential copyright regulations. Depending on where the song was recorded, your video could be flagged if you don't have the necessary permissions. That's it for today. See you in the next video and happy editing!